Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about prescription map. We need multispectral mapping drone. In today's lesson, we take DJI Mavic 3M as the example. PIX4Dfields software. Users need to buy account by themselves. App version 8.6.5 and above. Aircraft firmware version April 15th, 12 and above. Image capture. First, we need to circle the mapping area on corresponding aircraft app. The circle area should be bigger than the operation area. Use the multispectral camera. Pay attention to parameters below. The shooting parameters can be selected as MS. If conditions permit, both MS and RGB can be shot simultaneously. The height should be set according to the actual situation. Generally, it is recommended to be 60 to 80 meters. If there are obstacles, the height can be increased according to the actual situation. The overlap rate of collected data. Generally, the frontal overlap ratio is set at 80% and the side overlap ratio at 70%. It is recommended to set the photo mode to distance interval shot. The flight speed can be set according to the actual situation without any specific requirement. Due to the possible differences in the shooting parameters of different multispectral drones, a multispectral image should consist of 4 images. If RGB images are captured simultaneously, there will be 5 images. The image formats are as follows. After completing the above image collection, download all the image contents into the computer folder to get ready for the subsequent image processing. Image process. Start the PIX4Dfields and create a project. After creating the new project, select the folder in the drone collection, click it, and then choose the folder corresponding to the images collected by the aircraft. Select the processing option as accurate processing. Choose the weather conditions for image collection based on the actual situation. Select the resolution as full resolution. Click apply and wait for the image processing completes. After the image processing is completed, there should be 2 images, one orthophoto mosaic and one ground surface model, indicating that the image processing has been finished. First, click Index to select the method of spectral calculation. Choose NVDI and click Generate to wait for the processing to complete. After processing is completed, click on Boundaries. Click on the Draw Boundary icon. Click on Boundary and create the boundary of the operation area on the generated image. If there are obstacles in the operation area, you need to choose the method of Add Holes to circle the obstacle points of the plot. You cannot use obstacle points to circle the obstacles. After the boundary is circled, click the check mark at the top, name the boundary, then click Confirm, and click the upper right corner to exit the boundary editing mode. After getting the NDVI and boundary ready, click on Operation, select Zonation Pre-fill Grid with an index layer, and click Continue. For the basic layer, select NDVI. For the boundary, choose the name of the boundary just drawn, and click Continue. The prescription unit can be selected as either liters/hectare or kilograms/hectare. Liters/hectare is mainly used for spraying operations, while kilograms/hectare is mainly used for spreading modes. The choice should be made based on the actual situation. Note, the units here must be consistent with those selected when importing into the remote control. Name the operation layer and click Continue. It is recommended to set the cell size within the range of 5 to 10 meters. Set it according to the actual spraying width. Arrange the grid more regularly through rotation, horizontal offset, and vertical offset. It is suggested to be as parallel as possible to the long side of the boundary. Click Continue. Adjust the coloring and transparency of the index layer. It is recommended to use the default settings. Click Continue. The minimum visible pixels per cell are recommended to be set by default. Click Continue. It is recommended to select the range of 3 to 5 for the number of zones. It is suggested to choose the mean for the index value of cell. The max can be selected based on the actual situation. The min cannot be selected. Note, here, the mean or max must also be selected accordingly when importing the remote control. The zone details represent the number of pixels in each small square. It is recommended to default or make minor adjustments based on the actual situation. For zone distribution, it is suggested to select quantile. Other modes can be selected according to the actual situation. Click Create Operation Layer. Set the prescription rate, different colors representing different areas, and manually set the spraying volume for different areas. The icon in the middle can manually adjust the color area of the generated prescription diagram. After the settings are completed, click Export, select Operations. Choose the corresponding operation name to the output. Select TopXGun. For the operation, select TopXGun VRA mission for the format, and click Continue. Set the flight altitude and spraying width. It is recommended that the current set parameters be consistent with those on the remote control. Click Continue. Check if the prescription rate setting parameters are correct. After confirming that there are no errors, click Export and select the location where you want to save the file. Drag all the exported folders into the USB drive to get ready for the subsequent remote control import. Remote control import and usage. Start the Agri Assistant app. Insert the USB flash drive into the USB port above the remote control. Select the USB flash drive icon at the lower left corner. Choose Shapefile. In the import type, find the corresponding boundary name plot and click Confirm. Then wait for the import to complete. On the page, select Prescription Map. Find the corresponding prescription chart name and click Confirm. Choose the unit corresponding to the chart creation, mu, hectare, or acre. Select the cell index corresponding to the chart creation, average value, or max value. Click Confirm and wait for the import to complete. Click on Mapping Flight. Select the imported plot, click on the RX icon on the screen, and choose the prescription map corresponding to the plot area. Click Use to plan the route parameters and operation parameters normally. The dosage will be changed to an interval style without any settings. After the settings are completed, click Start, and after sliding to unlock, the aircraft will automatically execute the dosage settings of the prescription chart. The aircraft will perform variable spraying during the flight based on the prescription map information under the flight route. Above is today's lesson. Follow the TopXGun channel for more plant protection skills.